Warning, the following show features stunts performed either by professionals or under the supervision of professionals. Accordingly, the producers must insist that no one attempt to recreate or reenact any stunt or activity performed on this show.
Make it bounce.
Always getting off-road in Texas.
I don't know nobody that can do it like this. I've been on the ground like this, like this, like this. Do you like this? Don't nobody do you like this, like this, like this. This is my shit. You be like, this about as good as it gets. Do it like this. Do it like, do it like, do it like this. Look at my click. Look at my click from the jump like this. Got over the hump like this. Now we up, like up, like up. Now we up like this. People like tough like this. Never give a fuck like this, like this, like this. They be in the club like lit, but they never get the love like this, like this, like. Things are different where this time go. You been tripping, baby, I know. It's a cold world out there. You been missing our convos. I cannot lie, I'm feeling great. The pen is working and my head on straight. Top 10 when I ventilate. Y'all just bullshit and medicate. I cannot relate, I never will. Never sign, but I know the deal. I will hop up out the whip and walk before I ever let you suckers hold the wheel. This the second half. We gon' finish what we started here. No more chasing all the wrong things. Boy, I'm coming for it all this year. Do it like this. I've been on the ground like this, like this, like this. Do you like this? Don't nobody do you like this, like this, like this. This is my shit. You be like, this about as good as it gets. Do it like this. Do it like, do it like, do it like this. Look at my click. Look at my click from the jump like this. Got over the hump like this. Now we up, like up, like up. Now we up like this. People like tough like this. Never give a fuck like this, like this, like this. They be in the club like lit, but they never get the love like this, like this, like. We don't miss, it's all hits. We all that and all this. We don't mess with y'all shit. You get mad and throw fists. This year is fuck your feelings. I can't be out here just chillin'. Y'all push y'all luck with me. Can't tell if you real or you fake fuck with me. So I keep the circle closed. I keep the game on lock and key. I ain't never sold my soul, and I ain't never hit the lottery. But I got a dream and I got my heart, and it's on my sleeve. Been it from the start, and I got a team and they play their part. Young David Blaine, bet I pull your cards. Better not be bluffing, you can't tell me nothing. I've been on the road, I know I'm your jam. Try and tell me that I'm not the man. Try and tell me that I'm not the man. Where were you on all the late nights and the bad breaks and the early flights? Now you hitting me like how's life? Got a message and it sound like. Do it like this. I've been on the ground like this, like this, like this. Do you like this? Don't nobody do you like this, like this, like this. This is my shit. You be like, this about as good as it gets. Do it like this. Do it like, do it like, do it like this. Look at my click. Look at my click from the jump like this. Got over the hump like this. Now we up, like up, like up. Now we up like this. People like tough like this. Never give a fuck like this, like this, like this. They be in the club like lit, but they never get the love like this, like this, like.
It's something with I don't know. It's something. It's something. It's in the bearing. I just. It's not me. It's the bike. Yeah, and I was gonna see. It's hot out here for a grom, baby. Friday, so we can safely say street scrapes are making a successful gain. Hey, what up, girl? Water! This is Texas heat, people. Give me all your waters! We're gonna take a quick commercial break, get some water and gas on our bikes, and we'll be back out. Stay tuned. That's why I love Sit Down Steve. He's not leaving. No man left behind. Great success! No panic. One moment, please. Knowledge that you say, talking about the motherfucking problems of the day. All black whip,
that shit in his ear. Grab that shit, hold back, don't trip. North never seen, North face, lime green. Only back cash for my motherfucking team, yeah. This you never, this you never, this you never came to me and claim that you so clever. This you never, I'ma get it. Lost in the web, full of fucking trendsetters. Put me on the game show. Simply told you that I really got that cash flow. You never wanna know me from the motherfucking vibe. Take a seat, nigga, tell me about the baddest bitches that I wanna meet. Fuck, maybe still, made about a mill. Focus on the bill, simmer down, how the feel. Bitch, roll down, shake it for a nigga. Yeah, forget about that nigga. Always in that place, never fucking late. Chase at the scene, that motherfucking day. Doing shit people never really wanna try to do. I take the pain from the side as I fall through. As I fall through. Fall through. Through. Lace down, face down, take that ground, top to the ground. I do it again, I never repent. Sleep in the tent, down I went.
Wow, this bike did great. Big thanks to Cast Stunts once again for making this whole ride possible after the stator and rectifier plug shut it out. Big love for Texas, man. You guys do not understand how awesome it is over here in Texas. The people are absolutely amazing. The roads are amazing. Police are chill. It's all around a great time. I say that, but I think someone actually got popped. Oh, sorry to hear that. Alright, that's a wrap, guys. We're out. Houston, stop, do whatever you want. We had a good time. Take it easy, keep it dick. Later!
It's good to finally let go. I ain't worried about a thing. I just like to keep it mellow.
Yeah, I like to keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and keep